Hey guys, welcome back to Earn More, Save More, the channel where you learn to earn online securely and smartly. Today you'll discover the best online earning methods for 2026. No scams, no fake promises, just real ways that beginners are using worldwide. When freelancing, offer your skills, like writing, design, editing or social media help on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and get paid in dollars. Beginners are earning $300–$2,500 per month just by solving simple client problems. 2. Content creation. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are huge in 2026. Creators are earning through ads, sponsorships, and brand deals without expensive equipment. Just a phone. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. This is one of the easiest passive income methods and works great in finance, tech, and tools niches. 4. AI-assisted jobs. AI can help you write content, design graphics, edit videos, and create digital products fast. Beginners are making $100–$400 a day combining skills, plus AI, all from home. 5. Virtual assistant, VA, and remote work. Companies need online support, email handling, scheduling, customer support, and you can do it all remotely. VA jobs can pay from $10–$45 an hour. 6. E-commerce. Set up online shops or dropshipping stores using Shopify, Facebook Shops, or Daraz and sell products worldwide. This lets you earn in foreign currency without physical stock. 7. Digital products. Sell ebooks, online courses, presets, planners. Once made, they pay you forever. This is true passive income. 8. Online tutoring. Teach your skills, English, maths, graphic design, online, and earn $20–$50 an hour. Platforms like Cambly, Preply, or even private coaching. Now's big income. Don't deny micro tasks and paid surveys. Complete small digital jobs or surveys on apps. Easy money while learning the online economy. Final tip: pick one path, learn it well, and stick to it for 90 days. Consistency beats random hacks. That's how online income becomes real. If you want a step-by-step training video on any of these, comment below. Like and subscribe for daily earning tips.